Let's make a treble crochet. You can already see from my little piece here that the trebles, which are now yellow, are much taller than the double crochet below them. Treble crochet is just that. We're going to need 2 yarn overs. We're going to crochet 3 times to make this stitch. So 2 yarn overs like this. Do you see what I did? 1, 2. Then we go into our stitch or space, whatever you need to do. Now I've got 4 loops on my hook. I need to yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. That's twice, and that's 3. That's why it's called the treble crochet. Yarn over twice into the designated spot. Yarn over, pull through 2 once, twice, and 3 times. Twice over. So we're getting, oops, I dropped it. We're getting a much taller stitch here than the normal double crochet. 2 yarn overs into the spot. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Now this is a much taller stitch. It's also a softer stitch in terms of the fact that it bends really easily, so it's not as stiff as the shorter stitches. You can see that when you're pulling it, it's really quite open because it's very tall, whereas the double crochet is not as open underneath. The half double's even tighter and the single tighter again. So all of these types of stitches are used to very good effect for different reasons. Okay, there you go. That's the treble crochet.